Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Are you ready to truly secure your important documents, making them accessible from anywhere at any time? Google Drive remains the gold standard for cloud storage, and in 2025, there's one incredibly efficient method that stands above the rest. This approach ensures your files are not only backed up but also always within reach, whether you're on your computer, phone, or tablet. Let's explore how simple it is to keep your digital life perfectly organized and protected. The most straightforward way to save documents to Google Drive in 2025 is directly through your web browser. Just open Drive, Google.com, and from there, you can literally drag and drop any file or even an entire folder straight into your Drive interface. Alternatively, click the prominent New button on the left sidebar, then choose File Upload or Folder Upload to select items from your computer. It's incredibly intuitive and works flawlessly on any device with internet access, providing instant cloud synchronization. For seamless integration with your desktop computer, the Google Drive for Desktop application is essential. Once installed, you can choose specific folders on your computer that will automatically sync with your Google Drive in the cloud. Simply save or move your documents into these designated local folders, and the app takes care of the rest, uploading them to your online drive without any extra effort. This method ensures all your work is continuously backed up and accessible from anywhere, always keeping your local and cloud files perfectly synchronized. Managing your documents on the go is just as simple with the Google Drive mobile app for your smartphone or tablet. Open the application, and you'll find a clear plus icon, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Tapping this icon gives you options like Upload, allowing you to browse and select files directly from your device's storage, photos, or even other apps. This convenient feature means your mobile creations and important captures can be instantly added to your secure cloud storage, keeping everything centralized. In 2025, embracing these direct and integrated methods is truly the definitive way to manage your documents. They provide unmatched reliability, ensuring your critical files are always securely backed up and available across all your devices, 24/7. The seamless accessibility and powerful sharing capabilities Google Drive offers are simply unparalleled, boosting your productivity and giving you ultimate peace of mind. Adopt this unified approach to elevate your digital organization and collaboration this year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.